He is quite tall and slim.
She is a bit shorter than me.
He has short dark hair and blue eyes.
She has long blonde hair and a friendly smile.
He looks very confident.
She looks tired today.
He looks a bit stressed.
She looks happy and relaxed.
He looks younger than his age.
She looks very professional.
He is very friendly and easy to talk to.
She is quite shy at first, but very kind.
He is a bit quiet, but very thoughtful.
She is very outgoing and energetic.
He is quite serious, but has a good sense of humor.
She is very organized and hardworking.
He is a bit lazy sometimes, but reliable.
She is very positive and supportive.
He is honest and easygoing.
She is quite independent and confident.
I think he is a nice person.
I think she is very interesting.
He seems very calm and patient.
She seems a bit nervous today.
He seems like a good friend.
In my opinion, she is very kind.
In my opinion, he is quite intelligent.
I really like her personality.
I like the way he speaks.
He gives a good impression.
Have you met the new colleague?
No, not yet. What is he like?
He looks very confident, but also friendly.
That's good. Is he easy to talk to?
Yes, he is very friendly and easy to talk to.
Nice. I like people like that.
He is a bit quiet at first, but very thoughtful.
That's okay. I'm a bit shy too sometimes.
What about your new manager?
She is very organized and hardworking.
That sounds good. Is she strict?
A little, but she is fair and supportive.
Does she seem confident?
Yes, she is very confident and professional.
Do you like working with her?
Yes, I do. She gives a very good impression.
What about your friend Anna?
She is very outgoing and energetic.
Oh yes, I remember her. She was very friendly.
Yes, and she always has a positive attitude.
Does she still live in Dublin?
Yes, and she really enjoys her job there.
That's great. I like people who are positive.
Me too. It makes everything easier.
Do you think personality is important at work?
Yes, I think it's very important.
I agree. I prefer working with kind and reliable people.
Exactly. It creates a better atmosphere.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.